One more time, one more time. One more time. Whoops! Oh, Kyle, sorry. Next time. Okay, let's remove one more chair. Stand up, children. Actually, stand up first. Okay. Move farther from the chairs. Hold the chair. May go. Move away, MJ, Ashley. Paolo, I think Ashley's the first one. Judges. Si Ashley na una, no? Tama ba? Si Ashley. Paolo, let's join the next game later, okay? Okay. Now, we will only have one chair. So, we'll put the chair here, and the two of you